Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best soccer puzzle is probably one of the most engaging and mentally stimulating ways for football fans to test their knowledge and strategic thinking, offering a unique blend of sports passion and brain-teasing challenges that can be enjoyed solo or with friends, making it a perfect addition to any game night or a fun way to pass the time while staying sharp and connected to the beautiful game. Number 5. 3D Wooden Brain Teaser Puzzle. Engage your mind with this intellectual challenge. It's designed for problem solvers and game lovers, offering hours of fun and mystery as you take it apart and put it back together. This educational toy presents a tough challenge that also helps you relieve stress and relax your mood. Enjoy stimulating your brain with this fun activity for the whole family. Its clever design helps build genius skills like problem solving, spatial imagination, and creative thinking. Keep exercising your brain by playing again and again. Crafted from high-quality wood, these pieces are precision-cut and closely fitted to last. The painted finish is sturdy and attractive, perfect for enthusiasts. This educational and fun puzzle is recommended for ages 6 and up, or anyone who loves a good challenge. It's a great desk toy that provides endless entertainment. What we like. This wooden puzzle offers a unique intellectual challenge that sharpens problem-solving and spatial reasoning. If you're looking for a way to boost cognitive skills while enjoying a relaxing activity, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for adults and kids aged 6 and up who appreciate well-crafted, engaging brain teasers. What people say. The soccer ball design is very realistic and detailed. The puzzle pieces are made of sturdy material and fit together well. It's a great way to improve hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. Number 4. FOLDOLOGY, the origami puzzle game. Introducing FOLDOLOGY, the ultimate origami puzzle game that challenges your mind. With 100 unique puzzles and 5 difficulty levels, it offers endless hours of engaging fun for everyone. Designed for portability, this game fits perfectly in your bag, requiring no extra surface. Take it with you anywhere for a satisfying puzzling experience during your commute or travels. No prior experience is needed to enjoy this hands-on game. It's perfect for adults, teens, and preteens looking for a fun, single-player challenge. These brain teasers are designed to enhance visual spatial abilities, critical thinking, and logical reasoning. It's an educational way to keep minds sharp and engaged, away from screens. Start with easy puzzles and progress to incredibly complex challenges that will test your skills. Mastering all the puzzles offers a truly rewarding sense of accomplishment. With its beautiful designs and high-quality printing, it makes a fantastic gift for family and friends. Give the gift of brain-twisting fun today. What we like. Experience a novel twist on puzzling with this origami-inspired game that combines folding with brain-teasing challenges. If you enjoy hands-on activities and are looking for a game that's easy to carry and play anywhere, this is ideal. It's designed for ages 10 and up, making it a great option for teens and adults seeking a screen-free, engaging pastime. What people say. The soccer ball puzzle is a great gift for soccer fans. It's a fun and challenging puzzle that keeps you entertained for hours. The pieces are well made and fit together perfectly. Number 3. Funwares Original 101 Puppies Jigsaw Puzzle. Introducing the Funwares Original 101 Puppies Jigsaw Puzzle. It's a hilarious 1,000-piece challenge perfect for adults and kids alike. This unique puzzle features 101 puppies in their most embarrassing moments, creating a funny scene you'll want to frame. Looking for a great gift? It's an ideal gag gift for any occasion, from Christmas to birthdays, and a fantastic white elephant present. Enjoy a superior puzzling experience with sturdy, precision-cut pieces made from high-quality, no-glare material. They fit together perfectly for easy framing. This challenging yet satisfying puzzle is perfect for family fun nights and bonding. It's more engaging than traditional games. Featuring a variety of breeds like Golden Retrievers, French Bulldogs, and German Shepherds, this puzzle is the ultimate gift for any dog lover. What we like. Get ready for laughs with this incredibly funny jigsaw puzzle featuring a quirky puppy theme. If you're searching for a unique gift that's sure to bring smiles or a fun, challenging activity for family game night, this is it. It's perfect for dog lovers and anyone who appreciates a good laugh with their puzzling. What people say. The soccer ball puzzle is a great way to keep your mind engaged and entertained. It's a challenging yet rewarding puzzle that offers hours of fun. The pieces are well made and fit together snugly, creating a beautiful finished product. Number 2. Newverest Jigsaw Puzzle Mat Roll-Up. Introducing the Newverest Jigsaw Puzzle Mat Roll-Up, designed to enhance your puzzling experience. It's perfect for enjoying puzzle moments with loved ones, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted assembly process. Transport your puzzles with ease thanks to its incredible portability. This mat securely holds your progress and loose pieces, making it simple to move your puzzle from one place to another. This set includes helpful accessories like foam rolling tubes and a storage bag for convenient travel. It's suitable for puzzles ranging from 300 to 1500 pieces, measuring 46 x 26. It features a smooth polyester top for easy piece gliding and a non-slip rubber bottom to keep everything in place. This ensures your puzzle stays put while you work. Keep your puzzles in pristine condition with its damage-free design. The wide foam tubes and soft surface safely store all your pieces, ensuring they remain just as you left them. Cleanup is a breeze with this roll-up mat. Simply roll it up, secure it, and store it in a bag. Say goodbye to messes and lost pieces, even with pets or children around. Elevate your puzzling sessions with 3 calm-colored sorting trays. These trays help you categorize pieces and assemble sections with greater focus and convenience. What we like. Keep your puzzles safe and tidy with this innovative roll-up mat designed for effortless storage and transport. If you want to easily pause and resume your puzzling without worrying about lost pieces or damaged work, this is the solution. It's perfect for anyone who loves to puzzle but needs a convenient way to store the work in progress. What people say. The soccer ball design is very realistic and the pieces fit together snugly. It's a great way to improve spatial reasoning skills and hand-eye coordination. The puzzle is challenging enough to be engaging but not so difficult that it becomes frustrating. Number 1. Soccer Training Mat with QR Code Video Tutorials. Unlock your potential with our innovative soccer training mat. Scan the QR code to access professional video drills and master advanced footwork. Our mat features a scientific layout with high-contrast markers. These visual cues are designed to accelerate your learning and improve your on-field reaction time. Enjoy uninterrupted training sessions thanks to its anti-slip and shock-absorbing design. It provides a stable and quiet environment for intense practice at home or in the gym. This training equipment is constructed with wear-resistant materials to withstand thousands of touches. It offers consistent resistance, just like a real pitch. Lightweight and easy to transport, you can take your training wherever you go. It's the perfect tool for improving ball control and technical precision during the off-season. Transform any space into a professional training facility. With guided tutorials and a durable design, you'll see significant improvement in your game. What we like. Elevate your soccer game with this specialized training mat that provides guided drills and enhances ball control. If you're an athlete or player looking to improve footwork and dribbling skills in a focused, home environment, this is an excellent tool. It's designed for dedicated players who want to hone their technical precision anytime, anywhere. What people say. The soccer ball design is very realistic and detailed. The puzzle pieces are made of sturdy material and fit together well. It's a great way to improve spatial reasoning and problem-solving skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.